Hello everybody, today we're going to be making something called Sfiha, which my mom translated to meat pies. Well, I guess that's what it looks like. So I love these because they're super nice to reheat in the morning because you could freeze them. You just stick it in the oven when you don't know what else to eat. I'd say it's more of a breakfast food. So yeah, first off we're going to start off with the meat portion. You're going to take your ground beef, put it in a pot and cook it. You're going to let it get brown and nice like this, and then you're going to add a couple spices. You're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of Sfiha spices seasoning, and a teaspoon of pepper. And you're going to mix that around a little bit, let that cook a little bit more. Yeah, and then you're going to pour that into a separate bowl, and you're going to add a 1/4 cup of pomegranate molasses, 1/2 cup of yogurt, and a 1 cup of pine nuts. I like the pine nuts because, yeah, they give a different texture when you're eating it. Because, like, the meat and the bread is both soft, but I like the little crunchies that these give. Then you're going to move on to your dough, and my mom made another video on this dough, and it's called cotton dough, so yeah, you can check that out if you just want to look at that portion separately, because this is great to eat on its own, but in this case, we're making the meat with it as well to make this Sfiha. So you're going to start off with all of your dry ingredients. You can read those, and you can mix it in your mixer. Add a cup of yogurt before that, and then now you're going to add water and a splash of olive oil. Once that becomes more of a dough, then you're going to place it in, inside the same bowl if you want, with saran wrap in the oven at 100 degrees Fahrenheit to proof for about an hour until it rises a good amount. Then you're going to punch it, flatten it, and separate it into 4 separate doughs, and you can separate those into smaller ones. And actually, at this point, you can separate them into more or less pieces depending on the size of you want your Sfiha to be. So we like our Sfiha small because we can serve a lot of them to our big family, but if you guys want to just have a single serving, I guess you could make like a huge, I guess that would be like a Sfiha pizza at that point if you just make one big dough. So yeah, you guys can do whatever you want. We like them small, so small it is. And she then rolls them out and places them on a pan. And you can put olive oil on the surface, obviously, so that it doesn't stick to your hands or the rolling pin. And then you're going to place the meat, your meat you just made, and you're going to place that flat, pushing a little bit on every single one of the breads. And then put it in the oven and just keep an eye on it at 440 degrees Fahrenheit. Doesn't take too long, just make sure it doesn't burn. That's it. We hope you enjoy. Happy Sfiha-ing. Bye.